Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to Digital Eden Garden. Today the subject is Science Grade 5 lesson number 3 Safety and First Aid. Students, accident may happen with anyone, anytime and anywhere. We should always be careful and follow the safety rules to avoid the accidents. Look at the activity below. Take the picture where the safety rules are being followed and cross those where safety rules are not being followed. Look at the picture number 1. This act is unsafe. So this is cross. Picture number 2. The boy is holding a blade which is unsafe. So this is cross. Number 3. Both are walking on footpath. This is safe. So this is tick. Number 4. This act is also unsafe. So this is cross. So let's read about safety in different situations. Safety from fire. Students, a fire can be caused due to the gas leakage, electrical fault, or careless handling of candles and matchstick. If we use all these carelessly, it can cause fire. We should follow some safety rules to prevent ourselves from fire accidents. Switch off the gas regulator when not in use. Means when you are not using gas, then switch off the gas regulator. In case of a gas leakage, neither strike a match, not operate any electrical switch. Open all doors and windows and call an adult for help. By opening doors and windows, the air crosses and the risk of fire will be lack. Replace faulty gas pipes immediately. Means replace the leaked gas pipes immediately. Check wiring and electrical appliances regularly for any fault or breaks in the wiring. By regularly checking, the risk of any accident lacks. Be careful while handling matchbox, candles, firecrackers. Means carefully handles all these materials. Do not wear synthetic cloths like nylon cloths when handling fire because these cloths catch fire easily. If a person's clothes catch fire, he or she should be rolled onto the floor until the fire is out. He or she can also be covered by a blanket to put out the fire. By doing this, the fire would stop from spreading. A fire can be put out by the following methods. In case of a fire accident, immediately call adults for help and inform the fire station. The emergency number of a fire station is 16. Call there only in a case of big fire accident. In case of a small fire, use fire extinguishers to put it out. Fire extinguishers can control small fires. Do not use water to put out electrical fire. Use sand, mud, or fire extinguisher to put out the electrical fire. In case of electrical fire, switch off the mains immediately so that the supply of electricity stops. In an electrical fire, do not use water to put out the fire. In case of fire caused by petrol, throw mud and sand instead of water to put out the fire. The reason for not using water in a petrol fire is petrol is lighter than water. It will float up on water and continue burning. Safety on road. The road is for driving vehicles. So, to avoid accidents, we must follow the safety rules on road. We should always be careful on the road. On the roadsides, we see many traffic signs. Those traffic signs are for our safety. So we should follow the traffic signs to keep ourselves and others safe. Here, the first sign is speed breaker ahead. When you saw this board on the roadside, then it means there is a safe speed breaker ahead. So you have to slow the speed. The second sign is no entry. When you see this sign on the roadside, it means you can't enter there. The third sign is school ahead. When you see this board on roadside, then it means there is a school ahead, so you should slow your speed. The fourth sign is no U-turn. It means you can't take U-turn from here. Fifth is zebra crossing. Zebra crossing is for people who are walking on the road. So zebra crossing is for the people for crossing the road. So when you see this board, you should stop the speed of your vehicle. Recall, write T for true and F for false statement. So let's start. We should follow safety rules to avoid accident. This is true. We should replace faulty gas pipes immediately. This is true. We should wear nylon cloths while cooking. No, this is false. Petrol fire can be put out using water. This is false. We should not strike a match in case of gas leak. Yes, this is